Dell S3422DWG, things to know before buy /N. For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of struggling with poor image quality and limited connectivity options in your monitor? Do you find yourself getting frustrated with glare and reflections on your screen? But here's what surprised me about the Dell S3422DWG. It's a game changer for those who want a reliable, high-performance display without breaking the bank. Therefore, in this review, I'll be diving deep into the features, pros, and cons of the Dell S3422DWG to help you make an informed decision. But first, let me ask you, are you ready to take your monitor game to the next level? The Dell S3422DWG is a 34-inch ultrawide curved display that boasts an impressive 3440x1440 resolution and a 3000:1 contrast ratio. This means you'll get vivid colors, deep blacks, and a wide viewing angle perfect for gaming, video editing, or simply enjoying your favorite shows. However, I was initially skeptical about the price point of this monitor. But after putting it through its paces, I can confidently say that it's worth every penny. Therefore, if you're in the market for a new monitor and don't want to break the bank, keep reading. One thing that really stood out to me was the ease of setup. The Dell S3422DWG comes with a range of connectivity options, including HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-C, and Ethernet. This means you can easily connect your laptop or desktop and get started right away. But I'll admit, I was surprised by how intuitive the on-screen display menu was. It's incredibly easy to navigate. But what about the visuals? Where do I even begin? The Dell S3422DWG delivers stunning color accuracy and a wide viewing angle. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or working on graphics-intensive projects, this monitor is sure to impress. Therefore, if you want a reliable display that can keep up with your demands, look no further. Now, let's talk about the ergonomics of the Dell S3422DWG. This monitor features a sleek and sturdy design that's perfect for gaming or video editing. The curved screen wraps around your eyes, creating an immersive experience like no other. But what I loved most was the built-in tilt mechanism. It allows you to adjust the monitor to your preferred viewing angle with ease. However, I do have one minor complaint. The bezels are a bit thicker than I would have liked. Therefore, if you're looking for a monitor with extremely slim borders, this might not be the best choice. But don't let that deter you. The Dell S3422DWG has so much to offer. In fact, I'd say it's one of the most versatile monitors on the market. Whether you're a gamer, graphic designer, or simply someone who wants a great display for everyday use, this monitor is sure to impress. Therefore, if you want to experience the best image quality and connectivity options without breaking the bank, look no further than the Dell S3422DWG. It's an investment that will last you years to come, so what are you waiting for? In conclusion, I highly recommend the Dell S3422DWG for anyone looking for a reliable, high-performance display. With its impressive resolution, wide viewing angle, and range of connectivity options, this monitor is sure to meet your needs. For the best price, click the link in the description.